It's 2 in the morning. And somewhere, someone is still awake. Not because they can't sleep, but because sleep won't pay the bills. Every month, the same cycle. Work, pay, survive, repeat. They thought this was freedom. A job, a paycheck, a life. But freedom doesn't feel like this. What if I told you? There's a path, not a shortcut, not a trick, a proven path to financial freedom. And it starts with a single step. Most people spend their entire lives on the wrong path, chasing paychecks, buying things they don't need, drowning in debt. They call it the rat race. And the terrible truth is, most never escape, but some choose differently. They don't run faster. They change direction. Financial freedom isn't about how much you earn. It's about what you do with what you have. And this path has 4 chapters, 4 pillars that will change everything. Chapter 1. The chains of debt. Debt is not just money owed, it's freedom. Stolen. Every swipe of a credit card is a promise to your future self. A promise that says, I will work for this later. And later becomes years. But here's the truth they don't tell you. You can break the chains, not by earning more, by spending less. Track every dollar, cut what you don't need. Pay the smallest debt first, then the next. One chain breaks, then another. Freedom begins the moment you stop borrowing from tomorrow, the moment you say, enough. This ends now. Chapter 2. The seed of saving. Saving feels like sacrifice. It's saying no when everyone else says yes. It's choosing the invisible future over the visible now. The new car, the vacation, the restaurant. Everyone else is living, and you're just saving. But here's what most people never see. A seed doesn't look like much, but beneath the surface, it's alive. Every dollar you save is a seed. Plant it in an emergency fund, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months of freedom. And one day, when the storm comes, when the car breaks down, when the job disappears, when life happens, you'll stand while others fall because you planted, because you waited, because you believed in something you couldn't see yet. Chapter 3. The Garden of Investment. Saving protects you, but investing transforms you. This is where your money works for you. Not gambling, not get rich quick, but patience. Compound interest. The 8th wonder of the world. Every dollar you invest today becomes 2 tomorrow, 4 next year, 100 in time. Index funds, retirement accounts, real estate. The tools are simple. The strategy is old as time. Buy, hold, wait. Let the market rise and fall. Let the years pass. Don't panic, don't sell, don't chase, just grow. Because here's the secret that the wealthy know. Time is the greatest multiplier of wealth. Not intelligence, not luck. Time. And every year you wait to start is a fortune lost. So start today. Even if it's small. Even if it's $10. Plant it. Water it. Wait. And one day, you will eat from the tree you planted long ago. Chapter 4. The Harvest. Financial freedom is not a number, it's time. Time with the people you love. Time to breathe. Time to choose. It's waking up without an alarm. Because you don't have to. It's saying no to a job you hate, without fear. It's watching your children grow, without missing a moment. It's sitting with your partner at sunset and feeling peace. Not because you're rich, but because you're free. The bills are paid. The future is secure. The chains are gone. This is the harvest. This is what you worked for. Not a mansion, not a yacht, but freedom. The freedom to live on your terms. So I ask you, where are you right now? Are you still in the rat race, still running but going nowhere? Or are you ready to walk a different road? The proven path to financial freedom is not a secret. It's a choice. Break the chains, plant the seed, grow the garden, reap the harvest. It won't be easy, it won't be fast. There will be days when you want to quit, days when everyone else is living, and you're just saving, days when the path feels too long, the sacrifice too great. But I promise you this, on the other side of discipline is freedom. On the other side of patience is peace. And every step you take today is a step toward the life you dream of. So take the first step. Today. Not tomorrow, not next month. Today. Because your future self is waiting. And they're begging you to start. Subscribe to Money Path and walk with us. Let's build your financial freedom. Together. Your journey starts now.